What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. Just wanted to welcome you guys. If you guys don't know who it is that I am, feel free to browse around our YouTube channel. We have over 72,000 members within our networking platform. So that's the group of Tech Solutions. It's a free Facebook group. You guys can click the link down below where it says free group, and you have the ability to network with over 72,000 people in both investing in the stock market, cryptocurrency, when it comes down to real estate, when it comes down to any market that you can do either that's entrepreneurial, where you're people. So if you like surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals and you like it to be free, then I don't think there's any better group. So I hope that you guys are all having a great day. And I quickly wanted to cover one of the stocks that we are swing trading. I'm going to be showing my screen right now in just a couple seconds, and it's about JDST. One of the things that I want you guys to focus on is to make sure my dollar return. The video that I made yesterday was about like how I'm going to make or how I make $2,000 a week when it comes down to investing in the stock market. I'm still working towards the $2,000 for this upcoming week, and I'm on track, and I'll show you guys. So I'm trading it with two different accounts, and let's go right here. So this is JDST. I called JDST out when it was at $48 when it started showing signs of a downward pattern. This is pretty much what I saw. I'm more of a technical trader, and I am focusing a lot more on swing trading now. I saw the previous support here at $50, so again, a known place where it usually bounces at. There's some consolidation. Same thing happened here. It had this sell-off. It was trending below the EMA line, and then it started consolidating, and then it broke above the 180-day EMA. The really cool thing about this is that now it started trending up. The candlesticks are way above the EMA line, and every indication is indicating that, you know, it's trending up. So there's a first resistance here around $55, which it hit today. There's a second resistance that's going to be around $60, and that's realistically where I want to cover. So right now with, okay, Google, pause. Sorry about that. So I am up over $500 on this specific account. This is through my TD Ameritrade account. Not a huge amount, so I'm up over $1,000 altogether so far, right? And it's the second day of the week. So I'm already on track. I'm 50% towards my weekly goal, and I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'm up. This is on my JDST position. I think that you guys should be able to see it. JDST position, I'm up $547 through my Fidelity account. I haven't even added to my position. I'm up $507. So altogether, I'm up about like $1,050 so far on this week. It's only the second day, and on average, my goal is $250 a day to $300 a day, depending on what it is that I'm investing in. And I keep it very simple. I focus on three things. I focus on long-term growth. I'm very busy, and I want to make sure that the stocks that I invest in accommodate that, right? That I don't have to be looking at it every single day. So I focus on something that is a little bit more long-term, maybe a couple days, or a week swing trade. And that's exactly what this was. I saw this margin of profit, and this margin of profit is pretty nice. So if you go here from that $50 price point to that $60 price point, that's about 18% potential for profit, almost 20%. So you have to ask yourself, my goal is 15 to 20% growth within a weekly basis. So about $2,000 with a $10,000 overall position. So this definitely accommodates that. My other call out, DSLV, it's performing exactly just like we expected it to. We called it out before it broke above the 180-day EMA. And the reason that we know this, again, this is another ETF that's really something that I've been focusing a lot on because it's been working very well for me. And again, the support here at around $22, the resistance here at around 26, and it's been performing very well. Tesla was another one that we called out. Again, very simple pattern. It had this sell-off. It did this double bottom at 310, and it's been trending up now. Now it is, its previous resistance was around 340, and it looks like around 335 to 340. It's already starting to show signs of a downward pattern. Keep that in consideration. The EMA line is still pointing up, but Tesla has been kind of all over the place. And for those that were able to capitalize from our call out at 310, all the way up to that 335 resistance, you know, ended up being not a huge amount, about 8%, but, you know, money and profit, or you know, profit is profit. So I want to hear what you guys have to say. Oh, there's not that many people. What the heck is my thing unlisted? I think it's because the market is opened already. And oh man, I'm a little offended. No, just kidding. But realistically, I really wanted you guys to focus on a realistic goal. So when it comes down to percentage growth per day, I think, or per week, I think it's realistic for anyone to aim for about 3 to 5%. And the best way to get to a goal is to work towards it. So I hope that my breakdown on the reason that I invested on JDST, that I called out on Sunday, and the reason that I called out DSLV makes sense to you guys. And if it doesn't, then simply don't trade it. That's one of the biggest recommendations that I can have. First of all, you should never be investing in something that you don't understand or investing based on other people's opinion. JDST made a lot of sense to me, and I really liked the pattern. Therefore, I understood the risk and I understood the potential for profit, and that's why I chose to take a position. Now looking at JDST intraday, I do think it's going to be a little bit overextended and a pullback is going to be inevitable, but realistically, because of how much margin I've already covered, I'm comfortable, as long as when I look at the 180-day pattern, as long as it doesn't break this pattern and it's still pointing up, the EMA line is still pointing up, then I'm totally okay with holding JDST until it hits $60. So it looks like from the price point that it hit today to the overall $60 price point, we still have about 8% left to cover. So that's gonna be the remaining about $1,000 that I'm gonna need for the overall week to hit my weekly target. And then, if I hit my weekly target tomorrow or the day after, and I see opportunity present itself, either on Thursday or on Friday, then I can add to my cushion, right? If I could end it at, 250 or 2,500 or 3,000, then so be it. But I'm definitely not going to overtrade and I'm not going to force it. So I hope my breakdown was a little bit easier for you guys to understand. Thank you guys again for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to click the link down below so you guys can learn a little bit more about our group. But most importantly, when it comes down to investing in any market, we want to make sure that it's something that you're passionate about, that you understand the market that you're investing in, and you understand the risk involved. So if you guys would like to learn a little bit more about what it is that I do on a consistent basis, click the first link down below. We have a private group, and that's actually where I'm going to go right now. We have our daily Q&A calls, and I just answer the questions 30 minutes at market open, and that's really just it. We have a series of an A to Z video lesson library, so you learn exactly how it is that what has led to my success in the stock market. I teach you how to find and scan for stocks that you see value in, and we build that strong foundation for yourself so you could be able to do it on your own, and that's the biggest thing. So thank you guys again so much. Like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives in your success. Let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.